This is number 14 in problem solving. And it says, if you have this absolute value inequality, absolute value of y minus 1/2 is less than 11/2. And it says, which of the following could be a value of y? Well, if you have an absolute value less than, what you do is you take what's in the absolute value, you take it out, and you form a compound inequality. And the upper limit is 11/2, and the lower one will be negative 11/2. Let me show you why that works. If you have the absolute value of x is less than 5, what numbers would work? Well, 4 would work, 3 would work, 2 is less than 5, yeah, 1. What about negative 1? Absolute value of negative 1 would be 1, and 1 is less than 5. So this would go down to negative 4. So as long as what's inside the absolute value bars is in between a 5 and negative 5, not including, in this case, you don't have an equality symbol underneath, it works. So that's what I've done here on the left-hand side. Now let's clear our fractions by multiplying everything by 2, both ends and the middle. And that would leave me a negative 11, because these 2's cancel, less than 2y minus 1, less than 11. Now, what we want to do is get y in the middle. That's how you solve a compound inequality. This would be 2y is less than 12 is less than negative 10. That's negative 5 is less than y is less than 6. So which of the following of these numbers are in between a negative 5 and a 6? So if you want to look at it on the number line, if that helps you visually, I'm looking for any of these numbers. Well, negative 11 is way down here. Negative 11/2, that's negative 5.5, that's here. 11/2 is 5.5, that's in there, so your answer is C, 11/2.